Due Friday, November 15th. Reading Detectives. Mystery book characters and setting. Required 20-minute learning activity. First, watch BrainPop Jr. Character. Click on Reading and Writing, Story Elements, and then Character. Then, complete the Character Traits graphic organizer for your character in your story. This is independent or pair work. Reflect when done. Required 10 minutes learning. First, go to BrainPop Jr. and watch the video on Settings. Click on Reading and Writing, Story Elements, then Setting. Then complete the Setting graphic organizer about the setting in your story. This is independent or pair work. Reflect when done. Optional activity for 10 minutes. Read and complete 4 character trait task cards, or scan the QR code to listen to and complete 4 character trait task cards. Use your answer key to check your work. This is independent. Reflect when done. Optional 5-minute activity. Share your setting or character with someone else who has finished brainstorming theirs. Independent. Reflect when done. The Detective Notebook. Required 10-minute learning. First, silently read a mystery book on your early level. Independent work. Reflect when done. Required 10-minute practice. Then respond to the setting question in your journal. This is independent work. Reflect when done. Required 10-minute practice. Then respond to the character question in your journal. Independent. Reflect when done. Optional. Continue reading your mystery book. This is independent work. Reflect when done. Word Detective Toolkits. Required 20-minute practice. First, sort the words and explain how did you sort the words. Pick 4 words, write them in your word clues notebook, underline the chunks you see in each word. This is independent or pair work. Reflect when done. Required 10-minute practice. Read pages 181 and 188 in the green and yellow decodable practice reader. In your word clues notebook, label the top of the page EE as you read. Add the EE words you find in the text. This is independent or pair work. Reflect when done. Optional 5-minute activity. Review your tricky words using the QR code. This is independent work. Reflect when done. Good luck!